The sun is screaming, and if space wasn't a vacuum, that roar would deafen you right here on Earth. Sound needs a physical medium to travel. So how is a massive star in empty space making noise? Deep inside the sun, millions of superheated plasma bubbles are violently boiling and colliding. This endless chaos creates massive acoustic waves. Trapped inside, these waves cause the entire star to ring and throb like a giant cosmic bell. NASA's SOHO Observatory actually captures these exact physical vibrations. They speed them up 42,000 times so our ears can finally process the data. Without the vacuum of space protecting us, that solar roar would constantly hit Earth at over 100 decibels. The physics behind these acoustic waves could unlock the darkest secrets of our universe. To see the full mathematical breakdown, click the related video below and discover exactly why.